In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable debugging mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. Select where it says troubleshoot. Select advanced options and then select startup settings. Select restart. And then at this point on the screen, you would tap the F1 or function 1 key to enter or enable debugging mode. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.